Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use and create tasks in HubSpot CRM. Proper task management helps you stay organized, prioritize work, and boost productivity. Start by going to HubSpot's homepage and logging into your account. This ensures you have access to all the CRM features. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM section, then select Tasks. This is where all task creation and management happens. Click the Create Task button to open the task creation form. Here you'll enter a task title, set a due date, and add any additional details needed to keep track of your work. Next, choose a task category like To Do, Email, or None, depending on the type of task you're creating. Set the priority level, such as low, medium, or high. This helps you and your team focus on what's most urgent and important. You can also set reminders to get timely alerts so tasks aren't missed. Use the Notes section to add detailed instructions or key points, which makes task execution clearer and more effective. Finally, click Create to save your task. Your new task is now part of your HubSpot CRM workflow, ready to be tracked and completed. By following these steps, you can manage your responsibilities efficiently and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. HubSpot CRM makes staying organized and productive simple.